In this video, I am going to show you how to create a new collection on the Instagram.com website, to which you can save posts and pictures uploaded by other users. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and then you should tap on the on your username that you can find in the right side at the top. After that, tap on the button saved in the middle of the screen, and then click on this new collection button in the right side. Then you should type in the collection name and click on the button next. So here you can see that you can add your saved items to this collection, but if you don't want to, just simply tap on the done button, and here you can see that your collection has been created and you can start saving pictures and videos to your collection. So go back to your home page, and if you have found a post that you want to add, tap on the bookmark icon and tap on the view your saved posts button. Here you can find it, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.